How to fix WorkJam app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check the updates for the app. Launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, WorkJam, and then search for it. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General. Now head over to the option of iPhone storage. In this page, you're going to find the list of the apps. Find the app WorkJam. After you find it, open it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, your problem might be fixed. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on Delete app. Click on Delete app. Once you delete this app, close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app WorkJam, and then install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix WorkJam app not working. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.